Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by capturing the exact stop code and unplugging peripherals to avoid driver conflicts. Next, make sure you have a recent backup. Once done, force the PC into safe mode using recovery or by interrupting boot 3 times. In safe mode, Windows runs minimal drivers, which isolates software causes, so run startup repair immediately to fix boot files. If that completes, reboot and see if the error repeats. If it does, keep safe mode active for deeper checks. With safe mode engaged, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Follow that with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore the component store. Once those finish, reboot into safe mode again and check Device Manager for flagged drivers, roll back recent updates or update to vendor drivers. Also examine minidump files with WinDBG if you can, because the dump shows the failing driver or module. That explains why the crash occurred and guides the driver fix. If software repairs fail, use System Restore to revert to a stable point. Make sure the restore date predates the first blue screen. If that does not help, choose Reset this PC with Keep Files or perform a clean install after backing up. This eliminates software causes. Finally, run memtest and a full disk check. Hardware faults often masquerade as software crashes. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist after reinstall, swap RAM or test the HDD/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.